Hi friends, the time now is 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's time to stop my work for today. And this is the progress of paving installation. So I have to continue tomorrow, but I'm sure I can't finish it because uh, I might be run out of materials. So I just finished all those paving and then look for another sources where I can find to fill in the gap. Alright, but I'm happy what I did for this today. I mean, yeah, and it's really stable. It's not wobbly because I dug out the soil and then buried those paving and put top soil in between, so it's really stable. So once it's finished, I'm going to fill in all those gap with a depth of about 30 mil from the top, and then fill it with concrete to make more stable. Yeah, hopefully we have nice weather again tomorrow to continue this work. So as I said, I'm happy with the progress I did today, and yeah, I have to find another resources where I can find paper or paving materials, because as a retired person, I've just minimized the cost. Yeah, because we're just relying on pension money. So yeah, so that's why I minimize the cost. So I will just buy concrete and builder's mix and cement. I said rather. Yeah. Okay, friends. Hope you like my short presentation of what I've done today. And this is the soil dug out from this area. So just hips. I'll show you some other materials taken from that trellis. So yeah, so that's enough to fill in this grass footpath all the way through the top. Yeah, I'm a bit exhausted now, so time to rest a bit. Okay, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my short presentation of paving works using the recycled materials for this trellis area. Yeah. Okay. Good night and God bless, and please be safe, and bye for now. Thank you so much.